If you took a loss on this 15-second inverse or this 945 inverse, here's exactly what you were missing. There are two scenarios I wanted to see coming into the day. I wanted to see this 15-minute unmitigated get tapped before looking for shorts, or see London and Asia swept before looking for longs. Another thing I also noticed was ES and NQ were quite uncorrelated. This doesn't prevent me from taking a trade, just something to keep in mind. Right at open, we see ES take this premium 15 unmitigated, while NQ fails to even take the lower one. At this point, my expectations shifted as we needed the liquidity lower to deliver higher. 945, Asia and London get swept, an inverse is formed, but look how long it took for this to inverse. There's no volume on that candle. In turn, there's no real conviction on that. At this point, I was staying patient, and at 9:15, we get a Trump tweet giving us a stop hunt. Stayed out completely, as that is uncertainty. That is not a trading environment you want to participate in. We completely inversed the Trump tweet, leaving behind a 1-minute no-wick candle. This was immediately marked out, as this is an area in price where I can expect the market to return to and see a reaction off of. Price rejected a 1-minute FEG before returning to the 1-minute candle and putting in a 30-second inverse. With the form of the 30-second IFEG, there is a change in state of delivery with extreme volume. Entry went at the candle close, stop went at the low that took out the 1-minute no-wick candle. Clear DOL for this trade was this low resistance liquidity leading up to this 15 unmitigated. The market had left this from the 1-minute FEG rejection. There's a clear unobstructed path to our take profit, and it delivered there immediately. Here's why I didn't hold to this 15 unmitigated. Hard time frame context is extremely bearish. When we are extremely bearish, that is a clear draw, but that is technically not necessary to be hit in order to move lower. Just because it's an imbalance does not guarantee that it will be tapped. Taking the safe target at 2R was the right call. You don't need the full move when the higher time frame context works completely against it. Three setups offered today. 3 times I stayed patient, 1 entry when everything lined up. Patience isn't just waiting, it's knowing what you're waiting for and executing once you see it. If you guys took a trade today, be sure to let me know how it went in the comments below, and if you learned something from this recap, drop a like on this video.